Amazon river. What is the source point of Amazon? What is the source point Amazon? Even today we don't know where the Amazon is going to start. Why? Because this area is completely dominated with rich amount of forest. What we call the Amazon rainforest in the South American Brazil region, సెల్వాస్ అనే పేరుతో రాసి ఉంటుంది చూడండి అక్కడ. సెల్వాస్ అని ఉందా, కనపడిందా సెల్వాస్ అని? సీ హియర్, దిస్ ఈస్ ద వెరీ వెరీ థిక్ జంగిల్. Okay, no one is having the capability to go enter into this particular animal, enter into this particular forest. Why? What may be the reason? This area is completely dominated with enormous of snakes, enormous of crocodiles. Okay, even today, that is the reason why even today we don't know where the Amazon river is going to start. We know only the mouth. What do you mean by mouth of the river? The point where the river is draining its water. But we don't know the source of Amazon river. See the importance of Amazon river. Within the 1 day of water in Amazon, ఒక్క రోజులో ఉన్న వాటరు, if you transfer the 1 day of Amazon water to India, the India will survive almost all how many days? 365 days. Very very huge volume of waters are there. ఒక్కరోజు అమెజాన్ రివర్లో ఉన్న వాటర్ మొత్తం ఇండియాకి పంపించామనుకో, ఇండియా కెన్ లివ్ హౌ మెనీ డేస్? 365 డేస్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద పాపులేషన్? 121 crore of population. That water is sufficient for 121 crore. But how much percentage of waters are using in the Amazon? Only 20% of water is using. What about 80%? Simply it is wasting into the which ocean? Atlantic Ocean. Identify the mouth of Amazon. Mouth of Amazon కనపడిందా? ఏ ఓషన్లో డ్రైన్ అవుతా ఉంది? Why? Because this particular ocean is having more amount of crocodiles, more amount of snakes. That is the reason why there is no question of dams on the Amazon river. Amazon river మీద డ్యామ్స్ ఏం లేవు. పొరపాటున డ్యామ్ కడదామని పోయినావు అనుకో, నువ్వు డిన్నర్ అవుతావు దానికి. దట్ ఈస్ ద కండిషన్ దేర్.